Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to hide apps on Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
This video will teach you how to remove an app's name and icon from your apps menu without uninstalling or deleting the app. First, go to Settings from your apps list. From Settings, tap on Display. Scroll down and find the option Home Screen. Tap on this. Again, scroll down to the bottom and you will find the option Hide Apps. Tap on this. This will open a list of all the apps you can find on your apps menu. Now tap the app you want to hide. This will select the app and put a blue check mark next to it on the list. You can select multiple apps here to hide them all at once. After selection, tap the Apply button. It will hide all the selected apps and remove them from your apps menu. This does not uninstall any of your apps. You can still open and use all your hidden apps anytime. Now go back to your apps menu. And you can see the selected apps are hidden from your apps menu. In this way you can hide apps on Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.